Okay, this Module 11 skills test is somewhat similar to a Module 10 skills test. Notice we've already talked about the concept of stellar evolution, the fact that stars do change over time. And in Module 10 we saw a skills test that had to do with the evolution of a star cluster. But in this case we're going to talk about individual stars a little later on. But let's first of all focus on the look back time thing. So the first animation that you see when you pop open this skills test is this look back time simulator. And you'll notice that a star explodes a certain distance from our observer. And distances in space, large distances in space, are given by the term LY, light years. It's the distance that light travels in a year. And so that's one of the cool things about astronomy, is that it's kind of like time travel. A lot of the stars we look at, even our own sun, we don't see it as it is right now. We see it as it was, because it takes time for the light from these different sources to arrive here on Earth. So you're going to watch this little animation and answer some questions. Notice that there are some, you can make some changes to the animation, in the sense that you can choose how far away your exploding star is, etc., etc. So question number 2 says, note that the year of the star explosion can be changed, and it is already changed for you. And then the question is, when would you observe the explosion, given this different year of star explosion? Again, pretty straightforward. Then so you'll answer questions 2, 3, and then the setup for questions 4 and 5 lists several different stars. And the first question is, how long does it take the light to travel from the star to Earth? So notice these different stars. You're going to get information by reading these descriptions. And the first question is, you need to rank them from, which star's light takes the shortest time to get to Earth, and which star's light takes the longest time. And then finally, the last question has to do with, when would an observer on Earth see the final end states, even if that end state occurs in the future? Okay, so which one would occur first, which one would occur last, even if that occurs at some future time?